Howdy, y'all. Hey, quick video here. A friend of mine contacted me, said, hey, I got something for you. So he acquired it. He has no use for it. I don't know what those are. Look like maybe 40s. Bunch of loaded and unloaded ammo. I don't think I want to shoot any of it. Matter of fact, I know I don't want to shoot none of it. So I don't know what all this is. It looks like a bunch of 9mm. Got a lot of this kind of stuff in there. Maybe like a spring from something. Cleaning pads. Bunch of full metal jacket 45. I got some loaded there. Looks like a front sight off of a military rifle. So we will be pulling this stuff down, at least to save the brass. Got a bunch of 40 in here. So 40. 45. That was his dummy round, I guess. Or he forgot to prime it. I think he forgot to prime it because powder's coming out. Look at the salt and pepper shaker. Bunch of 223 stuff. So maybe we'll salvage it and get some primer upside down. Yeah, I don't trust this guy at all. And here's his reloading. He's got that many of them in just this little bit. So he should have used his red Sharpie and marked everything non-usable. Oh well. Thanks, Ian. Got a little something to do on a rainy day.